Episode of What's in the Box. Today it's going to look like a repeat and you'll see what I mean. Alright, so the first box, if you see the labeling, ECU Masters, we have ordered some more stuff from those guys and they sent us some airheads. White Mystery. Gotta try that. I don't know if I can eat it, but we got some stickers. I don't think we got any stickers last time. We might have. Okay. Now, again, this might look like a repeat to you. So, the ECU Masters EMU Black. Remember that guy? Okay. And the WHP, this is the plug and play wiring harness for the O2 IS300, like we got my son's, but we doubled up on this kit, and I'm going to show you why.
Style is the answer to everything. Style is what I call art.
I picked up a Turbo IS300 and all it needs is tuned. So I went ahead and got the plug and play EMU Black and the WHP plug and play harness that goes with the EMU Black, and so we doubled up on it. So that's what's in this box. Well, seeing as how the car's already turbo, seeing as how I got the engine management, I got the wiring harness to plug it right in. Well, what do we do now? Well, the car's not tuned, so made an appointment at the dyno to have it tuned. Well, we have to make sure it's got an AEM, it's a 340 fuel pump to run ethanol. Part number is 50-1000. High flow in-tank fuel pump for the IS300. Well, if you got the fuel pump and you got the engine management, they need injectors. Alright, this stuff is from Real Street. If you've been into this game for a while, you'll know who Real Street is. Injector Dynamics is the brand. The ID 1050X. This is like the revamped version that is better for ethanol, E85, that type of thing. So we got the Aeromotive 340, or not Aeromotive, I'm sorry, AEM 340. And we got the injector dynamic, the 1000s. Okay, when I bought the kit from Real Street, they sell a kit on eBay. It has the clips to be able to wire and plumb all these in. I don't think I'll have to do that. I may, but this harness should be plug and play. If I have to change anything, I think it might be where this is the, I don't want to lie to you, but like the side feed and top feed, I think this may be how you adapt it to whichever one I need. I don't remember, but we'll see once we get there. But I got the ID 1000s, 1050X is what they are. So if you want to look those up and see, but they're supposed to be the better version of the original 1000. So this is supposed to be the redid version of that with the internals that don't have as much issues with running corn or E85. So that's what we opted to go with. So on mine, you'll see it if I haven't already put it on this video. On mine, we're going to run the ID 1050s, the Aeromotive 340. Aeromotive, I keep saying Aeromotive because that's what I used to run back in the day, forgive me. AEM 340, and all this came from Real Street. I'm not sponsoring anything, I just bought it from them. And again, with this Turbo IS 300 I picked up, we have EMU Black from ECU Masters. Thank you guys. They did actually give me a little bit of a discount at Wiring Specialties. Not so much through the ECU Masters, but I did order some stuff. I'm letting the cat out of the bag on some things I've done now. There's more coming. I'm not done yet. I'm not done doing the car thing. I'm all in. Anyway, forget the Wiring Specialties thing I just said. Redo. Alright, but anyway, we got the ECU Masters Black. We got the plug and play harness, AEM 340, 1050X. And we have an appointment with Fast Tech. If you've heard of Fast Tech, those guys run like the Texas TK 22. They actually crashed. They've got a Subaru, like 1,000+ horse Subaru STI. I think it's a wagon that they race there. So if you've been to that, the Texas 2K whatever, you've probably seen Fast Tech. And if you're local to us, you know who Fast Tech is. There's a lot of drift cars being built at Fast Tech. My first Honda I ever had tuned, Fast Tech was the ones that got it right. I had it tuned in other places. Fast Tech got it right, and I've not looked back. So I mean, I use those guys for any tuning thing. I send anybody and everybody that I deal with to those guys. So Mark, great guy, super good guy, you know, straight shooter. They stay super busy, so it's hard to get in a real good shop. You have to be on a waiting list. And also, I talked to Rise Fab. Rise Fab's done a lot of cages and kits and stuff for some pro cars, FD or whatever. And they're actually, I think we may be in the talks of them doing the cage on this, on the S13. So it's kind of combining some information onto this video, but these are things we've got in the works. And so yeah, keep looking for us. We're on our way. So yeah, I mean, if you know what this stuff costs, you'll kind of see what we're investing and at what level we're trying to be at. So this is the second of this, plus I mean, if you know the injectors, ID, you know the brand, there's 6 of them for IS 300. You can do the math on this stuff. I'm all in, you know, so we're doing this. So keep an eye out for us, and we'll see you down the road somewhere. But if you will, like, subscribe, hit the little bell. The little bell will alert you, let you know that we've posted another video. We're selling some merch on eBay. We hadn't added really a lot to that, but if you'll search Chesser Motorsports or Chesser Drifting, look on eBay, and we sell some stuff there. We have a few things now. We've been selling a lot, so I've got to back up and kind of revisit what we have there and check that stuff out, try to grow that as a business as well to help support this. But buying the t-shirts, lanyards, anything we end up putting on there, cups, whatever we've got, those humblers. If you purchase any of that stuff, that helps us build this channel, and helps push us to our goals of drifting and all that. And if you guys want to be involved, we're at the track. If you guys want to come hang out. We're easy to get along with. If you ever want to go to the drift track and you want to hang out with somebody that's going to not be rude or disrespectful, first of all, most of the drift guys aren't like that anyway. That's why I like this so much. You go to some old school car shows and this and that, you get some people that are kind of rude, and if you don't have something as nice as theirs, whatever, you can tell that they know their stuff is nicer. You go to the drift track, it's not like that. It's just not. So if you ever want to be in a car group around some car people and them not treat you like you're less of a person because you don't have something as nice as them, this is where you need to go. These guys are super nice. They've helped us tremendously. We've rode with them. They've rode with us. They've gave us advice. And we've started helping people the same way. We take them for rides. We give them advice on what we've learned, what helped, what didn't. So if you want to come to the drift track with us, by all means, come on. If we're going, you're welcome to go with us. You can ride with us. We can meet you there. Whatever you want to do, we're easy to get along with. Come have fun. Enjoy the drift track with us. And we're adding to our little group of people that's drifting with us. I guess Art, one of the twins, has gotten into it, and he's coming back with us this weekend. He's going to bring his kids and maybe his wife and everything. So we're adding to this little drift group of ours. But yeah, if you want to check it out, if you want to show up and not feel awkward or out of place, come find us. If we're at a drift track or we're somewhere, come on. I share this stuff on Facebook. If you want to add me on Facebook, anytime. You want to discuss it, you want to ask me questions. I'm not the best car guy in the world, but I have experience. So if you're working on a car and you have some questions, ask me. I don't have a problem with that. I'll answer if I pick up my phone and somebody asks me a question. And if I can't figure it out, we'll work through it together, because I may need to know that at some point. I've got some of the kids that are my son's age that message me and text me and ask me questions. Ethan, I've helped Ethan do his Turbo Civic just over the phone texting, and we got Keelan, he's doing a S chassis. I can't really help him a lot because I haven't worked on those as much as I have the Honda stuff, but I'm learning. So the things I have figured out, I try to help him with or give him advice, but I can do all I can do. But at the same time, I don't care to. I'll help him try to figure it out, maybe something I need to know. But anyway, I think Keelan's coming back to the track with us. I think he's getting back into it too. So yeah, absolutely. If you want to go drift with us, hang out, whatever, feel free. You're not obligated. Come ride with us, watch us, whatever you want to do, film us, talk to us, whatever. Come have a good time. But yeah, too much jibber jabber. But yeah, here's our haul for today. And as always, we'll have a little montage of all this stuff. Let me get it laid out here. We'll put a little music, and we'll put a little music with this stuff. And I'll show you the car. All right, here we go.
I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high. I'm feeling